Hey folks, this is Wesley Billion Dollar Version. Listen to me here. What if it was possible that someone that is brand new to the internet marketing industry could help you get your first sale online? Not me, okay? I'm too complex. What if there was a done for you girl? Oh, there is! The done for you girl! Talk to him.
Hello everybody, my name is Ariella and I am the done for you girl. That's right, I do all the work for you.
Everything.
No questions asked, no wondering what to do next, how to do a landing page, how to make your first sale. I got this covered. Join me right now in my live training. Click the button below and let me do the work for you. I guarantee you your first sale in less than 90 days. You know what that smells like? Freedom! It smells like money, baby! Come to Thailand, live your best life with us. Click the button below. See you there.
Let's go.